Short note on DNA. DNA can be defined as a group of molecules that is responsible for carrying and transmitting the hereditary materials or the genetic instructions from the parents to the offsprings. Eukaryotic DNA is found in the nucleus of the cell. The term DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It is a nucleic acid which is composed of repeating nucleotides. Each nucleotide is composed of a pentose, that is deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and a nitrogen containing base, adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. The pentose sugar acts as a backbone. The nitrogenous base is responsible for the genetic code. The four nitrogenous bases in the DNA are adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. These base pairs linked with hydrogen bonds. Adenine always paired with thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds, and guanine always paired with cytosine with 3 hydrogen bonds. The nitrogenous bases of opposite strands wind around each other to form a twisted ladder-like structure. These two strands run in opposite directions. This structure is known as the double helical structure of eukaryotic DNA.